ఉంటుందండి నాకు సపోర్ట్
కదా.
పోతుంది. ముందు లాగిన్ కాకుండా ఏంది నేను వాడు చేశాను.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am is there? I don't know. Ma'am is on mute. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, Nirbhay. Yeah, okay. You're able to see me, right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Hi everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Only 7 people. Okay. Yeah, so how are you all doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, amazing. Okay. So we'll start with the class. Screen is visible, okay? It's visible, right? Okay. Yeah. So what did we discuss in the last class?
Types of nouns. We discovered about parts of a speech, ma'am.
Yeah, so in parts of speech, we started with the first type. That is the nouns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and also we saw various types of nouns. We saw around 8 groups of nouns in total. Okay. So we'll just revise. What is a noun in general?
Name of a word, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Name of a word.
ma'am, it is the name of person, place, animal, thing, etc.
Yeah, so it's like a naming word. Any name, it can be name of a place, a person, animal, or a thing. So that is a noun in general. Okay. Now I'll ask you for the type of noun, and you tell me what is it. Okay. What is an abstract noun?
Feelings.
Ma'am, which tells about
Feelings
Yeah.
of something. We cannot touch it.
Yes.
my feelings, quality, we cannot
Yes.
Feelings, ma'am.
touch and see them.
What we cannot
We
touch.
cannot touch and see
Yes.
them.
Correct. Correct.
We can only feel them. Even without body.
Yes. So you can't see, you can't touch, smell, hear, and taste. You can't. Basically, all of your five senses, they can't respond to abstract noun. The only thing you can do is you can feel them. So all your emotions, your feelings, the qualities like bravery, loyalty, sincerity, all of that are abstract. They belong to the abstract nouns. What are concrete nouns?
With body. We
I
can
forgot.
see, we can touch.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can see and touch. We can feel and touch and
Yeah, you can see, you can touch, you can taste, you can hear, and also you can smell, right? You can use any one of the senses. Okay,
ma'am.
give me some examples of concrete nouns. It can
Ma'am,
be
table.
anything.
and butter.
Very
Table,
good, yeah.
laptop, door. Ma'am, table,
Yeah.
laptop,
Ma'am, computer.
webcam,
Ma'am,
earphones.
computer.
The first thing is you can see a
Desktop.
table, laptop, you touch them, you know they exist. Okay. What about tasting? Tasting and smelling. Anything that you can taste or smell.
Ma'am, sore. Cake, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, soreness.
Soreness. Okay. See, when you say soreness, that is a taste, right? That is something that you feel. So that is an
Yes,
abstract noun. That is not exactly a concrete noun because when you eat a lemon, when you have a piece of lemon, what do you feel? You feel very sore inside your mouth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is
We
it? Is
can't
it a
see
feeling?
the storm.
Yeah, you can't see, but you feel it, right? You feel that taste in your mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is an abstract noun. It is a feeling. It's a form of taste that you feel inside when you eat a lemon. Anything, any food item, you can taste, you can smell, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, let's say a perfume. You can smell the perfume. There's a fragrance for the perfume. So that's a concrete noun. Yeah, you can touch exactly, you can touch the bottle of the perfume and also you can look at it. Okay. The last one. Um, what is this? Countable or uncountable?
Hair.
I'm
Uncountable.
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 Why is it uncountable?
Ma'am, because it is a very
And
large
it is an
number.
uncountable.
Not so many hair in our head.
Yeah, there in like
So much.
infinite hair. You never know.
Yes,
So much
ma'am.
hair grows and it falls off. And also one more thing. Is it in its singular form or is it in its plural form? The word.
Singular and plural.
I'm singular.
Yeah. So
Both.
what did we discuss in the last class? If anything is in the singular form, it is uncountable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me more examples for uncountable nouns.
Rice.
It can be anything.
Ma'am,
rice,
wheat.
ma'am.
Correct?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
wheat,
rice.
sugar,
Sweet,
salt,
sugar, yes,
rice,
Water.
100%.
Ma'am, water. Ma'am, water.
Yeah,
milk.
water, milk, yeah. So a lot of food items are uncountable. You can't count them. But measuring is a different thing, okay? Like when you say, I want 2 liters of milk, that is in terms of quantity. But milk is uncountable. When you say, okay, I want 2 liters of milk, that comes in quantity. That is a different thing. So don't get confused between quantity and uncountable noun.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
Because whenever you measure rice, you say it in kilograms. And even things like wheat, sugar, salt, liquids, you say liters, right? When you measure them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
say say milk, water. You say, okay, I want 2 liters of water. I'll drink 2 liters of water today. That is quantity. That is different from uncountable noun. So we'll just write that. Guys, just make sure to have a notebook and a pencil so that you can write down whatever we're discussing, okay? Do all of you have a notebook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What is different from? Okay, how do you measure rice?
Ma'am, in grams and kilograms.
Yeah, so you measure it in grams or kilograms. The same goes with wheat, sugar. What about the liquids? Like
Ma'am,
milk?
liter, milliliter.
Yes, absolutely. So liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller one.
Yes, ma'am.
So you use milliliter or milliliter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, guys, if you don't want, if you can also take the screenshot so that if you're not writing also, you'll have it for referring. Or guys, shall we do one thing? Can we post this? Can we put the screenshot in the chat so that it'll be there? We'll do that. Okay, or so for uncountable nouns, when we measure them, it's called quantity. So we take it in terms of the respective units, like liters for liquids and grams or kilograms for things like rice or like sugar, anything that's solid basically. Are you done writing, guys?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others? Where is everyone writing?
Ma'am, it's almost.
It's almost, yeah? Okay, so let me know after you finish writing, okay?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, good job. What about others? Did everyone finish? Okay. Guys, remember last time I told you for homework you need to do a couple of questions, no? Has everyone done that?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we discuss them now?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I'll just share the screen.
Ma'am, are you sharing screen?
Yeah, I'll just do it now. Yeah, I've started sharing the screen, guys. Let me know. Yeah, it's visible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay, has everyone done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I have one doubt, ma'am.
you haven't doubt? Okay, we'll do one thing. Question by question. Shall we do question by question or no need? You guys tell me.
Question by question, ma'am.
Question by
Okay.
question.
So
Ma'am,
we'll
we'll
play
do
a
question
game,
by
okay?
question.
We'll play a game. One person, one question. And if you have doubt, you can ask me. I'll tell you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So first, Shaurya, first question. Read and tell me what is the correct answer.
Ma'am, proper nouns refer to specific people, places, or things. Yes, ma'am, true.
Yes. Guys, any doubt in the first question?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
right? Because proper nouns, they're specific. Common nouns are general. And proper nouns, do they begin with capital letter or no?
Yes,
Begin
ma'am.
with capital
Proper noun
letter.
begins with a capital.
Yeah. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter. Even if they're in the middle of the sentence or even if they're in the start. They always start with capitals. Okay.
Which word is not a proper noun?
Yeah. Which word is not a proper noun?
Dog.
Look at the four options. Yeah, exactly. Dog. Because it doesn't start with a capital letter. What type of noun is a dog?
Ma'am,
Common
common
noun.
noun.
Yeah, so dog is a common noun. I'll just write
Best
sleep.
Buy, ma'am.
Best Buy. Best Buy is like a name of a shop. So it starts with capital, right? Both of the words start with capital. So it's a proper noun. It's a name of a store.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Best Buy is a proper noun. Okay, so we're done with Hitesh. Okay, Divyansh. Sorry. Okay, Divyansh, read the third question.
Select the collective noun in this sentence. A flock of birds flew into the sunset.
Group. What is a collective noun?
Flock.
Yeah, correct. Flock is nothing but a group of birds.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, what do you call a group of puppies? A group of little puppies?
Litter.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
it's a
litter.
litter. And what about a group of fish?
Trolls.
Ma'am, a
Yeah,
shoal of
exactly.
I'm shoal
Yeah.
of fish.
A shoal of fish. And what about
Ma'am,
a group of cards?
Ma'am, it's school of fish also.
Yeah, school of
Ma'am,
fish.
a deck of cards.
Yeah, deck of cards.
Ma'am, a deck
Correct.
of cards.
Okay, what's the difference between shoal and a school? Do you guys know that?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
think they're
No.
the same. Ma'am, I think they're the
Okay.
same.
You want me to tell you the difference between a shoal and a school?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Shoal is basically a group of fish. But school is different. See, now what do fishes do? They swim in water, right? Because they stay in water.
Together in school, ma'am.
Yeah. So, when a group of fish are swimming in the same direction, you call that a school of fish. That's it.
Ma'am.
So, shoal is like a normal group.
So the
When all
shoal of
yeah.
fish. No, ma'am. No, I was exactly the same.
Okay, that's okay. But okay, school is basically like when all the fish are swimming in the same direction. Like all the fish, they go in one direction. So that's a school of fish. Shoal is like a bunch.
Ma'am,
Or
means
okay,
it includes all the different species.
yeah, like you can say, okay, basically when you use shoal, right, you use it for little fishes. Like you don't use it for huge fishes, like normal little fishes that just roam in the sea, you use shoal. But yeah, even if they're like big fishes or all the species of fish, you have a particular term. Depending on how they're swimming, you use shoal or you use the term school.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so Nabya Sai, Nabya, fourth question.
Ma'am,
Read
in the
it.
fourth question, high.
Yeah, do you have a doubt in the
Yes,
fourth
ma'am.
one? Okay, fine. What do you think is the
Ma'am,
answer?
option B, uncle, kitchen, apple, respect. Respect is the noun, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, respect. Fine. What is respect? Is respect a quality?
Yes, ma'am.
So what noun is it? You already have the answer with you.
Abstract noun.
I'm abstract noun.
Yes. Respect is an abstract noun because it is a quality.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And uncle? What noun is uncle?
Ma'am, common noun.
Common noun.
Even the same goes with kitchen and apple.
Yes.
Ma'am, but swim is a verb.
Yeah, exactly. Swim is a verb and dance, steady, air is the
Dance is
first
also
option.
noun.
Ma'am,
The first option, everything are verbs. So this is first option is not correct. The second option is correct.
ma'am,
Because
ma'am,
all
C
the
are prepositions.
yes, C are all prepositions. Above, below, behind, under. And what about D?
Ma'am, adjectives.
Yeah,
Ma'am, adjective.
yes. So you have verbs in the first option, then second you have nouns, prepositions and adjectives.
Ma'am, can I read fifth one, ma'am?
Fifth one. Okay, Nabia, you do one thing. You read the fifth one and okay, fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Which word in the sentence is a plural noun? In the spring, the shepherd took his sheep upstairs to large field. Sheep is the answer, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because sheep is singular noun and plural noun also.
Yeah. So guys, there are some words for which the singular form and even the plural form is same. Like sheep, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It can be singular as well as plural. When you read the sentence, you should be able to identify.
Also, ma'am. Deer also.
Yeah. Like a herd of deer, you say, right, when you use the collective noun. Who's Mitpat?
Ma'am, his real name is Divyan. She has changed his name to Mitpat.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was wondering because it's a new name, sounds like a new name. Okay, okay, Nirbhay, read the sixth question now and tell me the answer. Huh.
Which words in the sentence is a singular noun?
Read the
So there are five
sentence.
deer There are 5 deer grazing near the trees when they heard the noises near the river.
Yeah, so
Ma'am,
which
the answer
is
is
in
river.
its? Yeah,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's river.
because Yeah, because
Because
Ma'am, in the sentence
S is
there
not
were
included in
5
the
Here
deer.
also
yeah,
singular and
guys,
plural.
Ma'am, but
rivers is the plural form, and deer, there were many, like deer, even in its
ma'am,
singular form, and yeah,
ma'am, in the sentence it is written that there were 5 deer, so it is plural.
yes, 100%. So also deer, no, for singular and plural, you don't add an s to it. So when you look at the sentence, there were 5 deer. So it's more than one. It's plural.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so river is the singular one. Only one river. Okay. Tanish, seventh question. Read it and tell me the answer. Okay, or anyone, read the seventh question.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I
Yeah, anyone. Yeah.
the class identify the common noun in this sentence below.
Yes.
The class students
Studied
studied economics today.
economics today. Economics is a subject. So what is the common noun here?
Class noun.
Class. Are you sure it is a common noun? Class is a group of people, no? It's a group of people. A group of students is called a class.
Ma'am, economics.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
it is
ma'am, because it is one
economics.
of the subject.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah, Nabia, tell
Economics
me.
is the common noun, ma'am.
Yeah, look at the sentence. Does it start with a capital letter?
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, so you tell me, is it a proper noun or is it a common noun?
Common noun, ma'am.
Yeah.
But economics is a subject, ma'am. If they write subject means it is common noun, ma'am. But specifically they told economics, no, ma'am.
Okay, then in that case, class, studied. Class is a collective noun because it's a group of people. Studied is a verb. Okay.
But
Then
economics is
today,
the subject of name, ma'am. It should
okay,
be
but
proper.
okay, guys, I think there is a mistake in this question. Then if we take economics as a proper noun, E is supposed to be capital. Okay, fine. I think there's a mistake with the question. Because if we take economics as a proper noun, it was supposed to start with a capital letter since it is the name of a subject. Right?
Ma'am, class also can be a common noun.
Ma'am, it is collective noun. Ma'am, it is collective noun. Class is
Right?
Ma'am, it is collective.
Group of
Okay,
students.
guys, we'll do one thing. Seventh one, I'll just check with the question. I think it's a little bit wrong. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Seventh one. Okay. Tanish, can you read the eighth question? Okay. Sorry though. Okay, Shaurya, read the ninth
Ma'am,
question. Sorry, the eighth
ma'am, I have
question.
read. Ma'am, I have read one.
You have read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so eighth one, what is the answer?
Light.
Lights.
Okay. Guys, do you want to finish this? Or shall we do something else? You tell me.
Ma'am, mice is the answer, ma'am.
Mice, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it is mice. Okay, so shall we do one thing? Shall we finish all these questions and shall we do another activity, or you want to stop it here?
Ma'am, another.
Another.
One.
Another.
Okay, fine. So, okay, no doubts, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay, we'll go to the other activity then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because already I think it's boring. We have already done for 1.5 class the same thing, nouns. Okay, we'll do something really fun.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What is a sentence? You would have heard the word a sentence.
A group of words is called a sentence.
Yes.
Ma'am, a group of words which make a complete sense is known as sentence.
We make sense. Group of words which make a complete
Ma'am, a group of words which make sense is called sentence.
Yeah.
Contents, nouns, conjunctions, etc.
Yeah, all those are parts of speech. Conjunctions.
With full stop, question mark, or exclamatory mark.
Yeah, so you use punctuation. You use necessary symbols to end a particular sentence. So sentence is a group of words.
Which makes sense, ma'am.
Yeah.
Which
Which makes sense. So it's basically a group of words that are arranged in a meaningful order. We can say that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so the words are arranged in such a logical sequence, or they're arranged in such a order so that even when you read or even when you speak the same sentence, they actually make sense. Okay. I'll give you a sentence. Tell me if it makes sense or not.
Ma'am, it doesn't make sense.
Ma'am, it doesn't, ma'am.
Yeah, because the words are
Ma'am,
not
A
in
should
proper
be before
form.
boy. Ma'am, A should be
Yes.
before.
A should be a.
Okay, so
I meet a boy today.
Ma'am, I
yeah,
met a boy today.
exactly. So that is the okay. How do I end my sentence? Exclamation, question mark, full stop, comma.
Full stop.
Ma'am, full
Yes.
stop.
Full
So
stop, ma'am.
yeah, so after you finish writing a sentence, it's like you're giving a pause. You're ending that particular sentence, and when you go to the next one, you always write a full stop. Okay. Next one. We finished one sentence with full stop. Now, is the sentence correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What's the correct sentence then?
Ma'am,
What
the
is
should
the
be before
what
time.
is
What the is
what
time?
is the time?
Ma'am, what
Yeah.
is the time? And ma'am, question mark.
Yeah, because
Question
You're
Ma'am, it is a-
asking someone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, should we write?
Yeah. You can write down in your notebook. Probably you can. So the topic's name is actually Jumble the Words. It's actually a fun topic.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to unscramble the words to make the sentence. Okay. There's a game, right? How many of you have played Scramble? Do you know this game? It's called Scramble. Yeah, so what do you do in
Ma'am,
Scramble? Yeah, so what do you do in Scramble? You arrange all the letters.
words.
Yeah, exactly. So you find out new words, you arrange all the letters properly, and then you who arranges the maximum words becomes the winner of the game, right? So this is like a little scramble, but we're doing it with sentences. Okay. Um, look at this one.
Ma'am, it should be yay, we won the match.
Yeah.
Yay,
You're
we
saying-
won the match.
Yeah, you're happy. You're expressing
Exclamatory.
happiness.
Ma'am, exclamatory mark will be.
Yeah, yay, we won the match. So that is the correct way. And whenever you finish the sentence, always end it with a full stop. Okay. Written.
Full stop. Full stop is
Ma'am, full stop and Maya should be Ma'am, Maya, M should be capital.
Maya.
Exactly,
And
why?
full stop.
Yeah,
Ma'am, because
why
Maya
should
is
it
a
be
proper
capital?
noun. Ma'am, because
Yeah,
Maya is a proper noun.
Name.
yes, correct. So, since then, it is a proper noun. So, whenever you write proper nouns, you always use a capital letter. Guys, have you written the top part?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, fine. I'll do one thing. Continue here. Okay. What is missing in the sentence that I've written?
Commas.
And mangoes.
Yeah, where should I put the comma?
Between oranges and cherries, ma'am.
Yeah. So whenever I write multiple things, I should always separate it with commas. Before and, you won't have a comma generally. So it goes comma cherries and mangoes. So it's very important to end the sentence with appropriate symbols like full stop, question mark, or even using commas or exclamation. That is nothing but using proper punctuation. So, sorry, they're using capital. So, always use proper punctuation in sentences. And what is another rule? Whenever you write proper nouns, what do you use?
Ma'am,
It
capital
begins
letter.
with capital letter
Yeah,
and ends with full stop, question mark, or exclamatory mark.
yeah,
What?
correct. So it depends on the sentence, right? If you use a question mark, So these are just basic rules that